Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Bro, what the heck? This on 101 seconds. Hey, probably gonna have to do a part 2. Hold up, why you do that? Why you ain't just go in the tub? Shampooing, sulfate free, you feel me? You don't look like you got enough hair to get waves. Look like you don't got enough hair, man. Let me move this out the way real quick. Dang, why you smacking his hair like that? Why you applying the water like that though? That lather look immaculate, okay? I wonder why it looks so good on the first wash and you don't got no hair. What's going on? Dang, you messing his eyes up, man. Sheesh. What's that, conditioner? This dude ain't even brush. How you gonna get him waves you ain't even brush? You putting the conditioner with the shampoo? Hold on, what? So you brushing the conditioner and the shampoo at this? I don't think he rinsed. Did he rinse? It's probably just me. He probably rinsed. I just didn't see. But yo, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 because it's junk 101 seconds long. Alright, y'all, this part 2. I just realized this dude said brush for 30 minutes to an hour. 30 minutes to an hour. I don't even do that. I don't even think Sir Cruz do that. Brush while the conditioner and the shampoo's in there? I don't think so. He has a big barrel head. Bro, why you going so hard with the brush? Sheesh, he trying to run away from you. I want to see you take that do-rag off, man. I want to see if you spin it. Why you smacking his head, though? I just want to see that unrag, man. Dang, what the heck is going on? That's how you dry his hair? Leave do-rag on for 30 minutes? Nah, you need to leave it on for like 3 hours. Yeah, I know it's long, bro. That's why I had to do a part. Oh, he rinsing it out. That's bro, what? I'm like, what? What's going on? 30 minutes. You got the shampoo and the conditioner in that junk. What is that? What's that? That's a magic wave spray. If that's a magic wave spray, I might need some of that. Let me see the unrag, man. Oh, that turned out, brother. Yo, I'm lost for words. That turned out better than I thought, yo. That's crazy. Y'all go follow.
Please tag for 62, guys. He must see my ladder.
I see it, man. I see the lather. That doesn't look amazing,
Please
bro.
tag him, guys.
I'm tagged. I
Do
see
you got
it.
any tips for my waves? Because I have bad waves.
You don't
Please
got no
look
bad
at my
waves, man.
page.
Just
I have
work
bad
on it.
waves.
Yo, what is this dude doing?
What's good, top wavers? You got all this shampoo
All these
on
shampoo.
my waves. Let's take a bit.
You waste this shampoo. All you need is a little bit. A little goes a long way, man. What you doing?
Be brushing. You got the mirror out here and everything.
I ain't even gonna lie. That lather look immaculate, boy. That lather look immaculate, bro. Yo, look at the lather.
Working on our crown, working on our sides.
Working on your crown. How you seeing your crown from there? You can't see your crown from there, bro. Immaculate lather. Y'all wanna hear me say it? Yo, that lather look immaculate, boy. That's just immaculate, bro. Doing a lay down process. Getting ready to put the do-rag on and rinse it out. Wash and style. That's what we doing today. We're gonna get some waves. Okay. Looking cool with the little dance outfit. I see you, bro. Alright, with the hair. Okay, first step done. With the hair. Okay, your hair look pretty wet. Let's get it. Apply shampoo. Whew. I wanna see great lather, bro. If your lather don't look good, bro, we not cool. Your lather don't look good. If it don't look immaculate, we not cool. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. I'm messing with you. We still cool, man. I see them noodles in there. Noodles looking pretty good. Okay, that means the waves are coming in. All right. You need a mirror though. Use a mirror next time so you can really see what you're doing, so your pattern could set in right. All right, keep brushing. We're gonna rag up, rinse the shampoo out. Right. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, rinse the shampoo out. Moment of truth. Let me see. Alright, so you fell asleep without your do-rag. What I'll definitely advise anyone out there that falls asleep without a do-rag, we can either do a wash and style, or if your hair's short enough like he is, like his hair is, you could just do a brush session with a medium hard brush, soft brush, and it's gonna go back to normal. Just like he's doing right now. You don't really need to do a wash and style all the time, you feel me? But a wash and style would be super dope. But if you washed yesterday, you don't want to wash again today, you feel me? So just follow what he's doing right there. But one thing I would not recommend though is use a mirror. He's not using a mirror. Where's your mirror, bro? I know there's one in front of you, but you need a handheld mirror so you could see through that mirror while you're brushing your hair, doing whatever you're doing. 100% agree with this method. This was a dope method. I do it too. You can too if you're watching it. See, the frizz is gone. Everything is laid back down, looking shiny, silky. Connections on point. You feel me? Good thing. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. When the video gonna be over? I'm done talking. All right, we got a wave check. Dang. That do-rag. Oh, you got a brush, bro. A lot. And wolf. And brush. One, two, check 1 2. Is my mic on? It's on, right? Yeah. We've been waiting for this wave check for a long time, man. This wave check was supposed to happen years ago. Y'all see this, man? He's spinning. Hurricane clutcher. You feel me? Spinning, boy. Now I know doggone well that little dog thing, you're not gonna come from Afro to waves. Ain't no way, but we gonna see. All right, apply shampoo. Wet the hair. You wet the hair first. That's what's up. Brush. Oh, it's coming in there. Why that just look like ice cream? Oh. I don't believe that. Nah. Alright, y'all, what we doing? Another wash and style. We got curls to waves. My better in the background. We got the daily thickening shampoo. Couldn't get it out. Ooh, noodles, but no lather. I should have seen the lather first, because I seen noodles, but I don't see immaculate lather. You feel me? I ain't like it. Nah. Ooh, yeah, that's legit right here. That's definitely legit. Let me zoom in real quick. This one right here is definitely legit. You feel me? Legit. He the best one so far. Alright, we got a wash and style. Another one. Combing the waves back so you can actually get the shampoo in there thoroughly and get everything. Always playing moisturizer. Why I keep playing? Why the moisturizer lathering? I don't understand why these nowadays we got moisturizers lathering. Why the lather look so good by moisturizer? Why the moisturizer looking so good like that, man? Like what the heck? I ain't never seen that before. But yo, lather gone. You gotta do something about that, bro. How you using? That's a regular brush, right? Okay, there we go. It's coming back. See them noodles in there. Video's almost over and you still brushing, my boy. Rag up, rinse out. Let me see the unrag. Dang, got the nice suit on. What color is that? Rose gold suit on. That doesn't look nice. I'm gonna have to cop me a rose gold suit now. Got the not the bow tie. You got the tie on. Got the wave swimming. She don't want to look, cause whoever this is, I don't know if it's a she or if it's a guy. Alright, I'm not trying to judge none of that. Whoever that is, ain't trying to look at the waves, cause you see the eyes looking down, cause they don't want to drown. The cut is legit, but the waves are not. Washing style. Okay, Devel Perry. I don't see no lather, Perry. Oh, there we go. You had me worried there for a second, bro. Yo, lather plus noodles equals dope washing style, bro. That lather look immaculate. The pattern looks immaculate. Wait, why you didn't do a brush session? Come on, Devel. How we supposed to be teaching these beginners how to do a... Ooh. What's this one right here? Ooh, what the heck is that in the back? You forgot, the barber forgot to cut that part right here. But need a lot of work, alright? A lot of brush work, lacking brush work. What's going on? Burning your ears? Oh yeah, this one definitely legit. I can see he's still wolfing. He didn't cut the wolf off all the way. That looked like a 2 or a 3, one of those. Definitely legit. Couple forks right here, but that's nothing. I can still see the definition. I still see the connections. This one definitely legit. I liked it. Legit, legit, legit. Girls, it's that guy. Curse to waist. Hey, bro. Hold up. Where that lather come from, yo? Sheesh. Yo, you know what? Even I don't mess with you like that, Chin the guy. Chin, I don't really mess with you like that, but that lather was immaculate, bro. Oh, wow. Alright, y'all, we got a shelf cut by the one and only Nathan. Nathan. I forgot his name for a quick second. He about to give himself a taper. You feel me? Like just a little temple taper. You feel me? Got the waves in there swimming. Tape the back up. You feel me? Keep the curls on top. You feel me? I mean, it would look better if you just chop the top. You know, chop the top down and get some waves at the top. But he only wants waves at the sides and the back. But add a little bit of blackout. I don't know what I was saying. My tongue was just. Got the waves in the back, swimming in the back, swimming in the sides. Taper look fire. The waves going. Where they go? Oh, there they go. Oh, yo, that cut looks sharp. Waves on the side look dope. Curls look.
Here are some of the best waves on TikTok that I've ever seen. First up, Devell Perry. My man's was one of the inspirations for me to get 720s. He's a straight hair waver and it's just amazing. Next up, House of Brushes, aka, I actually don't know his real name, but he is spinning. Shout out to his barber too. Alright, last up on the list, but definitely might be in first place, we got the main man, 360 juices. Like, that's a lot of juice.
Hold up, what you just do? Washing style tag 360. Why I gotta tag me for? Why you always want to tag? Oh, that's why. Okay. Lather looking pretty good. Oh, immaculate, bruh. And I see some noodles in there. You know what you lacking though? You need that mirror. You feel me? That handheld mirror so you can see while you're brushing, so you can knock those forks out the way. You feel me? Rag up. Okay, let me see how you gonna rinse it out. Last time you had a little cut on your palm. I don't know. Did you rinse it out good enough? Was it thorough? Like I'm not sure. What, Life of Part 2? Was it on? Alright, so somebody tag me in this. Okay. Post these. Oh, I said some, bro. Post a cut, please. Alright, they say post a cut. He wolfing, okay? Wolfing. Oh. What you adding? Ooh! Sheesh! Oh, yeah. That shine is immaculate. I don't know what's in that shampoo. But how you get your hair to lather up so quick, man? What type of shampoo you using?
It's cost me money.
Yeah, sure we don't. They get my 360 waves back. What happened? You had curls for a little while. Got tired of the waves. Or you add some conditioner, some moisture. Oh, this shampoo, my bad. Add some shampoo in there. No lather, okay? No, I mean, it's a little bit, but I don't expect it, like I always say. Second wash, man. Second wash. Okay. You already know. You already know what I was gonna say. Noodles. I see great noodles in there. Great lather. Detangling shower brush. Oh yeah, the lather just got better. Just got a lot better. Alright. Going with your pattern. When you gonna go in with a brush, man? Okay, there we go. Brush session. Hair looking silky. Everything's going in the right direction. Lather still in there. Noodles still in there. Looking silky. Like I said before, I'm gonna keep saying silky because that junk's silky. Unrag, let me see. Oh, this is a wave cut. This is definitely legit. Let me see this cut, man. Let me see this cut. I liked it better when he was wolfing.